Is that alright with you? Some crack pills, Daddy? Where's this motherfucker at that we waiting for? Where's this motherfucker at that we waiting for, Daddy? Where's this motherfucker at, Daddy? Daddy!
What the fuck do you want, you piece of shit?
Where's that motherfucking wheatgrass, man? What's that wheatgrass?
That's what I'm doing. I want my wheatgrass right now. I don't want the damn drugs.
Motherfucker, no, what we here for? We're here to get some
Drugs for labor. I'm only paying, it's only saving some
Methadone.
I'm gonna fucking kill a kid. I swear to God, I'm gonna kill a
Methadone, motherfucker, Methadone. Methadone, Daddy. What's methadone? Some Adderall, some Vicodin, some hydrocodone, some angel dust, some fucking cornbread, some chili. Hi, motherfucker! What you want to eat? You want drugs you want to take? You want some crack? I know a crackhead.
This guy want to drive by us here?
He's a crackhead, Daddy.